What's up, guys? It's your girl Roxanne
and Crystal.
Today we are here to do the viral TikTok recipes.
Yeah.
So the first one we're going to do today is called, I don't know, there's no really name for it. Like, there's this video here of the TikTok thing. So basically, you cut up these, your strawberries, bananas. We want to lay them out. So, we washed our hands already?
Yep.
So, we want to lay them all out evenly. Like, not evenly, but all over. Like, why does it matter? Lay them out all over. And you want to lay them all out, all over the bottom of your pan, whatever.
Lay them all out. This is, we don't know what it's called. It's kind of like a yogurt snack with like the bananas and strawberries in it. And then you put it in the freezer.
Yeah, and then you freeze it and then you eat it.
Yeah, it's like a nice healthy cold snack for this nice weather that we're getting.
Yeah, the nice summer weather we're getting. It's going to be summer soon. Huh?
Put a banana there.
So, I think that's good. I'm going to put strawberry here.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Yeah.
I think, or...
Yeah, did you get a
spread
spoon?
it? When we spread it, it might move.
Did you get a spoon?
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay. So then we put the Greek yogurt. We got vanilla Greek yogurt here. Not sure how long we're supposed to put it in the freezer. Probably until it like freezes.
Yeah, until it's like frozen.
Yeah.
And you put that on there and you spread it all over.
I'm gonna get as much as I can. Little tiny dots, plops, little tiny plops, plop, plop, plops. Spread it out all over everything. Yeah. I'm losing them a little bit, but I feel like a good summer treat, eh?
Yeah.
Like,
It's nice and cold for a hot day.
yeah.
Like a cold treat.
Like a cold
Yogurt
treat
and
thing.
Fruit.
Yeah. Banana. Banana and strawberries. I love bananas and strawberries.
Me too.
I think that's enough. All right, maybe I need a little bit here in the corner. Some on the sides here.
So that's how it looks.
What's
The recipe.
we use like basically a whole freaking tub almost.
And you eat it. Mmm.
Yeah. And then
You pop this in the
pop
freezer.
it in the freezer. You guys, we're trying the next trend, the next TikTok, viral TikTok food thing. And so we got
the nature cereal.
nature cereal.
Yeah.
Yeah. The only thing that we couldn't find was raspberries. I don't know why. Like maybe raspberries are not in season right now. I don't know. But we got blueberries, strawberries. We got the crushed ice.
And then we got the pomegranate.
And then
Pomegranate.
coconut water. Let's try this out. Okay. It's supposed to be like healthy, like a cereal. It's like a cereal or something. And a nutrients cereal.
Yeah. Good. I don't know how this is gonna taste.
I don't know.
It might taste good.
Like a nutrients.
The fruit part looks good when you mix it and put it all in a bowl like that.
Yeah. And like, I finally got like,
Look at that.
these are big chunks of
It
it.
looks so good.
I was trying not to get big chunks of ice, but it's so hard. Like, that's a big chunk there. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. And then, so we got our ice in here and our fruit.
Yeah.
In the bowl. And then,
God.
coconut water.
Yeah. And you put the coconut water like it's milk into your Nutrien cereal.
Instead of milk, use coconut water. Okay, let's try it.
That's actually good.
Cold. Cold, man.
I actually like this.
Yeah?
I like it. Mmm. 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 I don't think I would like this. I actually like it. You like it? No?
No, it's okay. Well, I shower. I don't know, it needs more ice, like more more like, what is it, ice?
I like it. This is a good one. You guys gotta try it. You don't like it?
I don't know. Kind of sour. Like, some of the blueberries are like, oh, they're too sour for me.
So good.
Mm.
I want to try this.
It's refreshing.
Tastes different from this. I like it. It's like a refreshing breakfast.
Yeah.
It's healthy. So good.
Yeah, it's good. But, some of the, like, raspberry or blueberries are so, like, sour. Ugh. But it is
I like
good.
it.
Like
I should try
refreshing.
it. I should try it. It's pretty good.
Mm.
Try it out. What do you give it? What rating do you give it?
Some of the things are sour. Like, nice and refreshing, like cold. I think it needs more crushed ice. I think you need more crushed ice in there.
Yeah.
But it tastes pretty good. I don't know, maybe a 7?
I give it a friggin' 10. I like it.
5 hours later, guys. Here is the strawberry banana Greek yogurt that we did in the freezer. How are we gonna break this apart?
I don't know.
Now we gotta break it apart.
Oh god. Bend the fork or the knife. How are we gonna get this out? Frozen, guys.
I don't know. Do we like, how do we bang it out? Bang it out or something?
I don't know.
It's like frozen in here.
There you go.
There we go. Look at that, guys. That looks so pretty.
Yeah.
That looks so nice. Banana, strawberry. There we go. There we go. Let's try this. I didn't get any banana on mine. I just got strawberry.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, it's hard. It's frozen.
It's actually not that bad.
I don't know, I can't tell. I just brush my teeth. Kind of tastes weird.
Brush your teeth. Bananas are, the strawberry is kind of sour. Like, I don't know. Well, that's a Greek yogurt.
I don't know if I like it.
Like, I bet if you put it in a bowl and you let it sit for a little bit, and it like kind of melts a little, but it's still frozen, it would probably be really good for kids or something. Like a nice treat.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna try this piece of banana. Banana tastes good frozen?
I don't know.
Yum, banana. Frozen. Oh.
I think it would taste better if it wasn't so frozen.
Yeah, like if you let it sit in a bowl for a little bit, like it's not as frozen. This would be really good for the summer on a nice hot day. Yeah, it's good. I rate it like a 10. 10 out of 10. What do you rate it?
I don't know. Maybe like an 8. It's not even like sweet. I think it's sour.
Yeah, I know. Strawberries are kind of sour, but I don't know. With the Greek yogurt. That's good. I wonder if you can like put them in like you know those popsicle things. Yeah, and like put the popsicle so it's not laying down, because then all the strawberries would float to the bottom. But you have to get the popsicle
side or something.
Yeah, sticks, and kind of like push the strawberries in, put banana, strawberry, and then lay it down flat so it stays. And then the kids can just pull it out and have like a popsicle.
Yeah.
That would be a good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, well, on to our next video.
I know. TikTok, viral food recipe. Final one. We left it for last because it's the best.
Yeah.
It looks like it will be the best.
It looks like it would be the best.
It's so good. So we got avocado. We cut up some avocado. We got red onion, tomatoes, and this chipotle mayo spread.
We got chicken and bacon and cheese. Swiss cheese. We just got Swiss cheese. They had like some. It was mozzarella cheese.
Yeah.
But we couldn't find it, so we just got Swiss cheese. And then the tortillas.
Yeah, so this is how you gotta set it up.
Yeah, you want to cut it?
Yeah. So this is how they do it. Take one of these, and you get like half of it. So like starting from there, and like here, they cut it straight down. Okay, and then what do they do?
And they
They put the
cheese
cheese on. Okay, guys, let's see how this is gonna taste.
Yeah.
Can't wait to. Oh, it looks so good. Can't wait to try. Okay, so it looks like they put 2 slices, because they got like one here. Should we put 2?
Yeah.
Next, we want to get the cheeses. Cheese. And then they cut it in half, and they put like one here and one here or something.
Yeah.
And what else is on the cheese? Nothing?
Nothing.
And then the avocado. Maybe I cut up too much, I wonder.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I'll just put. Oh, that's probably good.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, so we got the avocado. What do they put on top of the avocado? The bacon.
Bacon. So 2. They put 2 pieces. You want to put more?
I don't know. We can put 3 if you want. Hands are starting to get all.
And then tomato.
And then the spread. Oh wait, the spread, and then the
Okay.
tomato on the other half. Looks like they put the spread.
That. It's so hard to spread it. But I don't put too much.
No, that looks good.
Guys.
Yeah, that looks like enough, I think.
And then what?
And they put this chicken on top here. Like that. And then, how do they spread it? How do they fold it? We did it the wrong way.
No, it's okay. Just do it that way. Put the
That
cheese on.
sucks.
Or you can switch it. And you gotta do a pattern like that.
And you gotta fold it like that. So it's all in there nicely.
And then we put it in
Put
the
it in the
grill.
grill.
And grill it.
Hear that?
For what?
I don't
I
know.
don't really tell you how much time.
Didn't
Maybe like
say.
for 8 minutes. You wanna put it for 8 minutes?
Well, we can check it before that. I don't want to get burnt. I don't know. Timer. 5 minutes. Maybe. Oh shoot! What the hell? I need the timer. Frick, man. Holy.
Bacon's freaking good.
You ate the bacon? Is it good? Did we put the onion? We forgot! We forgot the freaking onion, guys.
That's stupid. How did we forget that?
I don't know.
It's supposed to go on the tomato.
The heck?
Well, that sucks. Oh well. I don't really like onion anyway.
Oh well. Supposed to put onions, so anyways, put the tomatoes on, and then you put the onions on the tomato. Yeah.
Yeah. And you just wait.
Wait. See how good it's gonna be.
Yeah.
I love avocado too. So good. And bacon, and chicken.
Can't wait. It's probably gonna be so
What does it
good.
look like?
You want to see people?
I'll have to move it over more towards you.
Let's see.
Oh, yeah. Let's see.
Let's see.
Flipper.
Need a flipper.
Can't wait to try this.
This.
Oh. What does the other side look like?
I don't know.
God, I can't hold it to cut it. How are we gonna cut it? Oh, it doesn't go all over the place.
Knives suck. Holy, they're too poor. That freaking knife.
It's gonna be too hot to eat it right now. You have another plate? No, I can put mine on. There's like no plates.
Oh, sure. Okay. I'm gonna try it, but it's kind of hot, so I don't know.
So, this is what it looks like. Tomato, avocado. It's freaking hot. Phew, it's too freaking hot. Burning me up. Really good, guys.
I'm gonna try this one.
Yeah, you're gonna have to try it.
Kind of messy, but.
Good. Definitely recommend this one.
Really good. So good. Well, If you guys like this video, comment down below, like, share, and subscribe.
Peace.